Damn. I hate this thing, man. I always drop these little things that come with this, I call it, little pocket DJI Pro thing. This thing right here. Always drop it. Alright, guys. So, back to the video. So, yesterday we came to drop off the big wheels, the Big Mac Daddies, the 37s, 24 by 14 Akron. I don't know how to pronounce it, but we came to drop those off, and I also dropped off the tire rod for the 3rd gen and the blocks and everything. I think I had dropped those off a previous date. The only thing that was wrong with those is that the U-bolts, they were too wide and too long, so he's gonna get some new ones. So he took off those other wheels and he put the new ones on there, and man, boy, I tell you, it looked clean. I'm looking at it right now, so I'm gonna show you guys real quick. Damn, man, this thing looks clean. All right. I want to know what's y'all thoughts on this. Are we gonna rub? Holy snap! This thing looks like a monster. Holy shoot! Yo, this looks really clean. We still let it squat it in the back. Honestly, I don't think that's too bad. If you guys look at it, let me stand like this and let me go over to the front real quick. Oh yeah, those things are super long now that I look at them. All right, so let's come out over here. Holy snap. All right, check it out from there, guys. I don't know what's y'all thoughts on it. I don't think it's that bad compared to what it looked like earlier. That much of a squat, and plus the wheels were really small, so it looked like it skipped leg day, and it also looked like crap that way how I let it squatted. I did put like a 3-inch. I didn't want to put, I tried to look for a 4-inch or a 5-inch, couldn't find it, so I ran with that. Maybe, like I said, that's just temporary. Later on we'll see what we can do to kind of level out that back, and you guys don't make fun of me. So yeah, guys, man, this thing's clean. We did order some reservoir holders. Hopefully they work. I don't think they're gonna work. Holy snap. Yeah, now that I'm looking at it, maybe I can put it probably like right here. What do you guys think? Like right here? I don't know, we'll see. The thing is that I found some that we'll wrap them around there, and maybe we can bolt them to there, so we'll see how that works out. So he still has a little bit more work to do. We need to take that's the new bar that Daryl sent me. So yeah, guys, looks like we're moving along more better. Still need to get that Bluetooth drive shaft plate as well. So yeah, guys, this thing looks clean. Man, I like how it looks. Honestly, I don't think it's that bad. I don't think there's too much of a squat on it. It just looks mean, and it looks like really, I don't know, like, I guess you could say like bulky. Looks like a bulldog or something like that. All right, guys, so I don't want to talk too much. We'll be back. Hopefully that's like some kind of test ride, but that's just how it's gonna sit. Honestly, damn thing is high. I'm freaking 5'11", so my face is probably about right here. Alrighty, guys, so we'll be back. Probably can put this bumper on as well. Tell them if they can do that for me, so they'll be probably working on that too, so we can tie this thing back up. Alright, so since we've been back out here last time, I just came out here to take off these blocks because I need to return them. Like I said, they were 3-inch blocks. I did like kind of, I guess you want to say redneck style. Put my jack right here in the stand, put it against right here, jack it up, make sure the truck didn't fall on me, and put these 5-inch blocks in there. We still gotta bolt them down, except that I need to go take those real quick before they close over at UPS, because today was the last day. I had to take them in. But as you guys can see, fairly, I don't have a measuring tape with me to measure this out. It don't look squatted like it used to, like dramatically crazy. Don't worry about these go in there. But yeah, I mean, let me stand away from the truck so that way you guys can see it eye level. It's like literally a minor squat, probably like a 2-inch minor squat. I am assuming 2 or 3 inches probably of a difference, but 100 times better than what it looked like before. Also, I was able to find some of these wheel wells, luckily close by my area, because you know Jared decided to get a beaver and eat them all up. So you guys can see right here, no bueno, we can't have that. So we're gonna fix these up, fix all this stuff up, put the new ones in there. So yeah, on both sides because they look like crap. And then, you know, I won't get call out on that. This side wasn't that bad, but still, I took it straight across right there. And that was whenever I had the leveling kit, before I even put a body lift in there, which I wish I would have never done that, cutting that shit off. But oh well, you know, you're living in there. Hard part was looking for those things. But yeah, guys, this thing looks phenomenal. It's pretty darn tall. I guess now that I'm right here, I mean, you can see where my face is at, right here. So for sure, it's pretty tall, pretty darn tall. I'm gonna need definitely a ladder to work on this truck for sure. So I can't even open this thing up. So yeah, that's gonna finish up the video for today, guys. We still haven't been able to get some stuff done. They sent me out a Bilstein, whatever you want to call them, for the front end. So we have dual steering stabilizer bars. So we need to get those. They get in here, I think, tomorrow. So excited for that. Still a lot of work to do. This thing is not going to make it a Daytona for sure. I know that. It is what it is. So yeah, guys. But like I said, that's going to finish up the video for today. Sorry if I'm not really putting out there in detail like what the hell's going on. I'm not doing the work. So yeah, but look at this one. Mega Cat got the haul styles that one had before. We got, I think, what is it, like 26 LED lights across this one right here. We got the train horns underneath as well. Those used to be on the first gen. Yeah, we got a Starliner in it as well. Pretty cool. It's pretty cool. Not much, but yeah. All right, guys. I catch you guys on for the next video. Peace.